My personal gift of fear experience was when I was at Walmart one time shopping, and a guy approached me and stopped me and asked for my number and said that I was so beautiful. He was asking me where I lived and where I went to school. I told him that I was from a different place and I wasn't giving him any of my information. When he asked for my number, I told him no. I walked away, but he seemed pretty upset about it. When I finally cashed out and was walking to my car, I noticed he was waiting outside, and it seemed like he was waiting for me. I actually had to get a worker to walk me out to my car because I was so scared that he was going to approach me. But that is my experience.